Hello and welcome to EZGlutenFree. Today I'm making French fried onion chicken. They're chicken cutlets coated with those same crispy onions that top all those green bean casseroles during the holidays. But the original brand isn't gluten-free. So when I found a knockoff at Aldi's, which is, I thought I'd try them out on their other classic recipe, French fried onion chicken cutlets. Now to get started, preheat the oven to 400 degrees and line a baking sheet with foil sprayed with nonstick spray. Now for 2 cutlets, add 1 cup of fried onions to a zippered bag, along with 1 tablespoon of gluten-free flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of your favorite seasoned salt. And I used adobo. Zip up the bag, then use a rolling pin to crush those onions and get the ingredients combined, then dump them out onto a plate or into a large bowl. Now in another bowl, I'm whisking 1 egg, and once it's scrambled pretty well, dip the chicken to get it fully coated, then dredge that chicken into the onion crumbs, place it onto the prepared pan, and bake it in a preheated oven for 20 minutes or until the chicken is no longer pink. Optionally, during the last 5 minutes of baking, you could add a layer of smoked Gruyere cheese or cheddar to give it a French onion soup twist. And let me tell you folks, this is a dinner that everybody's gonna love. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, or share. And for more videos you might like, click on those guys over there. And for brand new recipes every week, don't forget to subscribe. See you again soon.